The Ultimatum Game is a well-known experiment in behavioral economics and game theory that explores human behavior regarding fairness, cooperation, and rational decision-making. First introduced by economists Werner Goose, Rolf Schmidberger, and Baron Schwartz in 1982, the game challenges traditional economic assumptions that people always act out of self-interest and instead reveals a deeper complexity in human behavior. In the Ultimatum Game, two players interact to divide a sum of money, often referred to as a pie. One player, called the proposer, is tasked with offering a portion of the money to the second player, known as the responder. The proposer can decide how much of the pie to offer, from zero to the entire amount. The responder can either accept or reject the offer. If the responder accepts, the money is split according to the proposer's offer. If the responder rejects, neither player receives anything, and the game ends. Traditional economic theory, based on the assumption of rational self-interest, predicts that the proposer would offer the smallest possible amount, since the responder should logically prefer some money to none, and the responder would accept any non-zero offer, no matter how small. According to this perspective, maximizing one's own gain is the rational strategy. However, when the Ultimatum Game is played in practice, the results are quite different. Empirical studies of the Ultimatum Game have consistently shown that people do not behave according to the purely rational model. Typically, proposers offer between 30% and 50% of the total sum to the responder, and offers below 20% are frequently rejected. Even though rejecting a low offer means getting nothing, responders often choose to do so, preferring to punish what they perceive as unfair behavior. This behavior suggests that human decision-making is influenced by considerations of fairness and emotions like anger or frustration, which override the desire for financial gain. Responders are willing to sacrifice their own reward to punish proposers for perceived unfairness, showing that people care not only about their absolute payoff but also about how that payoff compares to others. The Ultimatum Game has far-reaching implications for understanding human behavior, challenging the notion of humans as purely rational agents. It shows that factors like fairness, social norms, and emotions play significant roles in decision-making. In broader terms, the game highlights the importance of reciprocity and social preferences. People are not just motivated by personal gain, but also by how their actions affect others and the fairness of the outcomes. This has led to the development of behavioral economics, a field that incorporates psychological and social factors into the study of economic decision-making. Interestingly, results from the Ultimatum Game vary across cultures. In some societies, people may offer more generous splits, while in others, responders are more likely to accept smaller offers. These differences reflect cultural norms about sharing, fairness, and cooperation, further emphasizing the role of social context in economic behavior.